Well, hey there. On this video, we're going to talk about the HCBA strategy. Jeremy McGilvery is a very successful business entrepreneur and Instagram expert. He's written a book on Instagram secrets, and he's going to share with us, or I'm going to summarize for you, his strategy of what he would do if he were to have lost everything. If in one day he lost everything, his reputation, his money, his resources, everything except an internet connection, what would he do to rebuild his business over the next 30 days, day 1 through day 30, step by step, day by day, to rebuild his business and rebuild his life? He titles his My Foolproof HCBA Hack that pinpoints profitable in-demand niches in just minutes. Who wants to know that? I did. I got so excited about this that I actually did a Facebook Live on parts of this yesterday to teach other people how they could immediately implement some of these strategies. And I'm going to share the same with you. So what does HCBA stand for? Oh, I'm Sharon Horne-Ellstrom, but you can call me Pajama Grandma. In case we haven't met yet, go ahead and put hashtag pajama in the comments below so know it's the first time you're being exposed to the Pajama Grandma and her magnifying glass. HCBA stands for Hungry, Capable, Buying Audience, because we want to offer our products and services to people that are hungry for the problem that we can solve for them, people that are capable of buying and purchasing our product, people that want to buy our products and service. They got to have the money or the funds available or access to the funds in order to buy our products or services so that they can get the solution that we can provide for them. So Jeremy says he would not have a pity party. He would hit the ground running right off the bat and focus. He would make sure that no shiny objects got in the way of what he's doing to rebuild his business and rebuild his life. He would, of course, use Instagram, since he's the Instagram expert and he has all that knowledge in his head still, because although he's lost all of his assets, he hasn't lost himself and his brain and all of the experiences he's had that have created and made him successful in the first place. So he says he would create a done-for-you sales funnel that he would sell to the professional fitness industry, to fitness pros, because he knows that Instagram is a huge place for fitness pros and that fitness pros are always looking for more leads and more people to bring into their business. And the best way to do that and to do that for them is to get them a sales funnel that will collect and help them get the leads that they need to grow and supersize their pro fitness business. So the first thing he's going to do is he's going to set up his Instagram account. He's going to name it something that speaks directly to those pro fitness people or to the niche audience that he's approaching and trying to get in touch with and communicate with and build a community in. He is going to set up his page to resonate totally with the target audience that he's going for. He's going to make sure that he provides highly engaging content and starts talking and communicating with people on his page. He also is going to take a how he's going to do this, and what I got excited about and made the video on yesterday training, was how he gets graphics and how he gets motivational quotes and sayings that he uses on those graphics to make amazing posts on Instagram. And I shared 2 different ways of doing that yesterday in a little Facebook Live video. If you would like access to that video, comment, show me in the comments below, and then I will make sure that I share the link to that video training, because it's awesome and it's free and it's on my Facebook Live profile page. Not my Facebook, it was a Facebook Live on my profile page. He says he would create 12 such graphics so he's got them ready, and he'd put them up on his new Instagram page right away. So when people visit his page, they've got something to see and they can see what he stands for and that, yes, he is for them. After that, he says he would get crystal clear on his ideal customer avatar. And then he's going to go out, excuse me, and he's going to get a lead magnet from Private Label Rights. He's going to buy Private Label Right ebook that he can offer as a lead magnet to get people to join and sign up for his email list. He is going to write headlines. He's going to write a bunch of headlines to get people's attention and to test them. And he's going to make sure they have curiosity, urgency, scarcity, benefits, and proof in those headlines. He then will not sit back on his laurels. He's going to take action right away, and he's not going to wait for people to find him. He is going to start contacting the top 50 to 100 influencers or people in his niche that are on Instagram and start conversations with them and direct messaging them to start to build a relationship with them. So eventually he can buy shout outs for his thing on their Instagram pages. Then he's not just going to work on this niche. He's going to start another niche right away. He also knows that motivation and goal setting are a huge opportunity niche on Instagram. So he's going to immediately start another Instagram page about goal setting and motivation. He's going to use the same strategy to find graphics, set up the 12 great graphics on that page and start promoting it right away. He's also going to find affiliate products to sell on the back end of that. So as he brings people into his page on Instagram, he's got somewhere to send them where they can actually monetize by buying affiliate products. He doesn't have to create any of the products. He just finds cool products on ClickBank or somewhere that he likes and that he thinks the audience will respond to, and he offers those to them. In addition, he is going to work really, really hard. He's going to work the Instagram system. He's going to post every day. He's going to have conversations every day with influencers. He's going to send messages, like messages, and comment on other people's things just to create a lot of engagement. And he's going to send people then to his Instagram page and get them liking and following his page. He's also going to start a Facebook page, and he's going to share one piece of value content and one conversation starter every single day on his Facebook page. He is going to highlight he's going to highlight niche pros that he's met on Instagram, on his Facebook, and kind of cross-promote across the two platforms. He's going to create a stack for his $2,500 product, which he's going to sell later on up further in his value ladder. And one of the things that he did earlier on was he created a checklist of what he does every single day on Instagram and Facebook and direct messaging people and stuff, because he's going to add that as a value added, that checklist. He's going to give that away as a value add bonus on his stack when he creates this same offer. He is going to sell, again, affiliate offers at the back end. He's going to increase his price. He's going to start off doing the website for people at $750, and then when he gets a testimonial or two, he's going to raise his price to $1,000. And then he's eventually, after this promo for the first month, he's going to create a stack and probably a webinar and sell a $10,000. He's going to charge $10,000 to do the done-for-you funnel for fitness pros on a webinar, but he's only going to charge them $2,500, but it's going to be a $10,000 price. So he's increased his price from $750 to do a done-for-you lead capture fitness pro webinar to $1,000 to $2,500, and well, to $10,000 and then to $2,500. And that's how he's going to get his people. So our action item for today is, do you have an Instagram account for your business? If not, your action item is to set one up today, and then go find 12 graphics and show me in the comments below so you know exactly how to do that. And then the other thing is, go out, and even if you're not going to use it, source one private label right piece, a PDF, a graphic, an ebook or something for your niche, for your audience that they could relate to, that you could use as soon as today if you so chose. That is it for Jeremy McGillivray's HCBA strategy. I love it. Tomorrow we're going to learn all about Peng Joon's event strategy, how he fills $1,000 a day events in as little as 45 minutes. That's it. Go out, make it an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow with Peng Joon's event strategy. Bye.